Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing. With an advertising audience of more than 1.16 billion people, Instagram offers dramatic reach for brands. And the potential reach of Instagram marketing has grown substantially this year, increasing by 76 million people in just the last quarter. Use a business account. A business account gives you access to features you can't use with a personal account, including Instagram Insights, Instagram Ads, Instagram Shopping, primary and secondary messaging inboxes, contact information, and a call to action button on your profile. Clearly define your goals. Instagram marketing can mean different things to different marketers. Know your audience. The most active Instagrammers are between 18 and 29. The United States is the largest Instagram market. More urban residents use Instagram than their suburban peers. Optimize your profile. Fortunately, you also get a few other fields on your Instagram profile to showcase what your brand is all about and make it easier for people to find you. Choose the right profile photo. For most brands, your Instagram profile photo should be your logo. This helps provide credibility and allows visitors to see at a glance who you are. Create visually compelling content. Even more important, your visual content needs to be compelling. Great photos are nice, but if they don't tell a story or get viewers excited, they're not going to engage followers. Behind-the-scenes posts, quotes and text-based images, instructional posts, videos, reels. Establish your brand's look on Instagram. Once you decide what type of content to publish, you need to decide how it's going to look. As we explain in our post on creating an Instagram aesthetic, color influences buying decisions and brand recognition. Write great captions. In our post on the best caption length for every social network, we recommend the following Instagram caption lengths. Organic posts, 138 to 150 characters. Instagram ads, 125 characters. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags are a key way to increase your visibility and discoverability. To get the most benefit, choose hashtags that are relevant, are specific to your niche. Do not encourage follow or like swapping. Engage. If you want engagement on Instagram, you have to engage too. Posting quality content is great, but if you ignore comments and never interact with any other profiles, you'll have a lonely existence on the network. If you want to know more details and improve your Instagram marketing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,